Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be focusing in on Ethereum and Polygon. The number 2 and number 14 rank in market cap across the crypto space. These coins have a lot in common for many different reasons. We're going to jump into this last 7-day period and 7-day span that gives them a very, very nice increase. If we take a look here, you can see that the market cap has gone up 8.45% for Ethereum, an 8.44% increase in the last 7 days, as well as Polygon seeing about an 8.45% increase. So where are these increases coming from? Why are we seeing Polygon and Ethereum seeing, like I said, such great increases in this last 7 days? We take a look at all 7-day spans. There are some negatives across the board. So Engine down 3%, Helium down 5%, IOTA down 6%, Cardano down 2%, Theta down 1.6%. A lot of negatives, like I said, across many, many great coins. So Ethereum and Polygon are doing something special this week. We're going to jump into those 5 things here with the what you should know in crypto today, as ETH kind of ranges near that $1,200 and that merge date is proposed. So obviously now we're at $13.52 for Ethereum's price, but I want to jump into this really kind of article here, and it talks first about the Ethereum merge to POS and how it now has a date. So according to Tim Byko, a senior developer at Ethereum Foundation, Ethereum's merge from a proof of work POW consensus mechanism to a proof of stake POS mechanism will take place during this next week of September 19th. The merge should reduce Ethereum's energy usage by some 99.95%. The proponents of the POS think it provides better security and scalability as well. So there's other stuff that you guys probably should know about as well, but we're not going to jump too much into that as we're going to stay focused in on the Ethereum and Polygon updates of today. So the tweet actually goes over this as well. With Ethereum, this merge timeline isn't final, but it's extremely exciting to see it coming together. Please regard this as a planning timeline and look for official announcements. So we have here the client release 27th or 28th of July, announced 28th or 29th, and then we have, more coming as Prater Bellatrix on the 8th of August. We have the merge on the 11th, and then ACD 18th of August plan really that mainnet merge, and so much more, like Bellatrix early September and the merge 2 weeks later, September 19th. So it's all coming together in the next couple of weeks and months. So the big thing to kind of note, guys, is we've been talking about Ethereum and Polygon, how they're 2 great coins to invest in long term, and I think we're going to continue to see that exact, really kind of timeline take place, and these prices move accordingly, really, unless the market really struggles and we see downfall across the whole crypto space again. But right now, Ethereum, up 8 to 9%, and Polygon up 8 to 9% may not be a buy, because you are looking at, a 10% really kind of uptick, and you don't really want to always buy, the top of these coins. The one thing to kind of note, though, is if you are looking to buy long-term and you don't want to miss out, it's really not that bad of a buy, because these coins and these prices are going to rise with this update. And, really as we get into the next bull market, these prices will be pretty much unheard of. So it's not a bad time to buy, but realistically, waiting a couple days, waiting this announcement out, you may see some dips back down to a little bit lower of prices when it comes to Ethereum and Polygon. So I do want to jump over to this article here. So 3 reasons why Polygon Matic is up 100+% during a bear market. So today's not just about the merge in Ethereum, it's also about Polygon. Why are we seeing such a huge increase in Polygon? Well, there's steady adoption and internal growth back to Matic's 118% gain, even as most altcoins struggle to hold on to their short-term gains. So unlike bull markets where traders can basically throw a dart at a list of coins to pick which one will go up, bear markets require much more effort to find projects that could perform well over the long run. Well, Polygon's doing exactly that. It's a project that has continued to show signs of mainstream adoption despite the onset of a crypto winter. It's Polygon Matic, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, ETH network that is looking to build a sustainable Web3 infrastructure on this top really smart contract platform in the space. So obviously that being Ethereum. We also want to jump down, though, and kind of look through these, bold statements here that really are what has made Polygon, really remain so stable and actually find that 100% increase in these last couple of months. So major adoption announcements. So adoption by influential mainstream companies as one of the best forms of marketing that a blockchain platform can receive, as it exposes them to a large pool of potential users. So we've seen that here with Walt Disney Accelerator participants announced this. So this is actually a huge post. I don't know if you guys saw this earlier in the week, or actually July 13th, 2022. We saw the Interrupting the Green Blockchain Summit for some breaking news. They are excited that the only blockchain chosen to be a part of Disney Accelerator program was Polygon Matic. Definitely shot this price up, and we can actually go back and take a look at Polygon. July 13th, we were down to about 0.55, and instantly from 55 cents, we saw a price increase really close to that 76, and continuing to see actually increases since then as well. So protocol is also launching on Polygon. Further evidence of the rising popularity of Polygon as a go-to scaling solution for Ethereum has been steady migration and integration of projects with the L2 network. We can see a lot of different projects here. I'm not going to jump too much into those individually, but traders also expecting resistance at that 75-cent price. So one thing to note with Polygon is we're past that 75-cent price point already. We could actually see more really momentum as the Ethereum merge comes closer. But you can see here, so looking for a flip of the EQ to the range or high. People are basically talking about where they're going to be trading, what they're looking for to take those trades. But like I said, I don't think this is the way. Short-term trading isn't really the way to make money in a bear market. It's very tough to find those kind of trends. And unless you're an experienced trader, you're going to have a really rough time with it. So what I want to kind of say today is, yes, Polygon and yes, Ethereum has been coins I've talked about for, the last couple of months, and kind of gave you ideas that, the lower we get, the better buy these are. Realistically, Ethereum Polygon still at great price points. I do think we're going to see another dip. I think, though, before we see this dip, Ethereum and Polygon may go much higher. We may see more momentum continuing to kind of, like I said, push these higher, and we may see a sell-off point for some people taking some profits. But Ethereum, Polygon, these are the two coins we talked about today for multiple reasons. You guys hopefully know a little bit more about them now if you have already. Make sure to like the video, or haven't already, I should say. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. Thank you guys for tuning in with us here today, and basically, I'll see you guys all in the next one.